Meanwhile, speaking exclusively to Times Now, Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde had said that the antisocial elements were behind violent protests that were witnessed in the capital on Sunday, and that when the Delhi police had to step in, they had to do so in order to control the situation.
Please tell us, in the last 2 days, we have seen agitations across Delhi, we have seen agitations across the country. People are spilling onto the streets. Can the political class really ignore this?
Right from the day one, I have not ignored, and government has not ignored. First thing that should be clear, the day you see I made statement in the parliament, both the houses, Raj Sabha and Lok Sabha. After that, some of the associations were used to come to me and meet. I have been meeting, and the students community as such, you see, they right from the day one, they are, this is the fourth day today. So from first day they were meeting me. Some used to meet me in the morning, some used to meet me in the evening also, but we met and we are very serious in taking action. I told them that immediately we have taken cognizance and the arrest was done. Then subsequently we had taken decisions regarding the bus owners, what they should follow and what they should not do. We have issued instruction not to put tinted glasses, then curtains and all. That we had taken. We had alerted police also to be more alert.
But people are spilling onto the streets. Somewhere, don't you think there is a disconnect between the government and the public? And what are you going to do to restore this?
I don't think there is disconnect, because even yesterday, though it was Sunday also, I met a number of delegations. And particularly those girls and boys from the agitators, they came and met me. And they were also telling me that some people were telling me they want capital punishment, some were telling they do not want capital punishment. Because there was no leader as such. And that's why we are entertaining each and everyone. But meanwhile, it was the entire movement was taken by not entirely, you can say, some of the groups entered into this hooligans have taken charge, and the disturbances started.
Are you going to find out who these mischief mongers were?
No, we'll certainly find out, because when they made attack on constable, my one constable is very critical since yesterday. I don't know whether he will survive or not. The 18 constables are sustained injuries. And usually students may not do this.